Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here again. Well, I did my initial sharpening of the laminated Japanese steel blade, and as I expected, the blue steel is extremely hard, and I went through all the grits I have of water stones. And it's sharp right now. It's polished, ready to go in a plane and get tested. But subsequent sharpenings, I hope, will get it flatter on the back. So what I'm doing right now is wiping it down with camellia oil. Because I did all the water stone sharpening. So let me show you what we have. I don't know how much of it you can see. This area here, right up to the tip, for the most part, is flat. The corners are not quite as flat as I would like them. But I did manage to get a polished edge up the front on both sides, and it's ready for testing. So this is the Temple Tools number 4 and 5 replacement blade. So that's it for this one. A real short video to give you an idea how hard that steel is. Come on back, we'll make some shavings. Like, subscribe, and share, and go check out Temple Tools. Walter out.